What if you could automate 80% of your daily tasks without writing a single line of code? Repetitive emails, data transfers, report generation, all running on autopilot while you focus on work that actually matters. That tool exists, and it's called n8n. n8n is a free, open-source automation platform that connects over 400 apps and services. Think Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, Notion, and hundreds more. It uses a visual, node-based editor. So instead of writing code, you drag, drop, and connect blocks on a canvas. Each block is called a node, and together they form a workflow that runs automatically. Building your first workflow takes minutes. You start with a trigger node, something that kicks everything off, like receiving an email or a new row added to a spreadsheet. Then you chain action nodes, send a Slack message, update a database, post to social media. No advanced coding skills required. If you can think in steps, you can build in n8n. Here's what makes n8n stand out. First, it's self-hosted, meaning your data never leaves your own server. That's huge for privacy-conscious teams. Second, it supports conditional logic, so your automations can make smart decisions based on real data. And third, the time savings are real. Teams report saving hours every single week by automating the tasks they used to dread. Try n8n for free today. Just head to n8n.io and spin up your first workflow. Then drop your first automation idea in the comments below. I read every single one. And subscribe for weekly automation tutorials that will genuinely change how you work.